So, hello everyone. My name is Moel Mulke. I'm from Dream Builders. Today I'm going to explain our project like car rental system. It's basically a rental system, a service where a customer, where there are two roles, like customer and admin. So, customer can rental like car services, and the admin can provide the car services they have, and they can earn from it. And as for customer also, there is like they don't have to purchase a vehicle if they need it for 1 days, 2 days, a weekly or per month. So they can directly rent a service and they can pay for it. That is our platform basically explains about it. So let me start with uh, so this is now I'm doing customer login. So these are the customer credentials I've entered and I'm pressing login. So this is the dashboard of customer. As customer dashboard will show the customer how much active rentals they have confirmed, they have their previous rentals completed, how much and how much pending payments are there for them. Then browse cars, favorites, my rentals, and all that. So let us go to every feature one by one. Now in browse cars. So in browse cars, we can see that as there are multiple cars which are listed by the admin. Okay. Now suppose the customer has need Toyota Fortuner. So he will go for book now. Here all details related to Toyota Fortuner and the prices for how much the prices have to be paid to the admin for this rental service. So this is about vehicle detail, how much hours, registration of vehicle, booking this vehicle like pickup schedule when, return schedule when. So pickup type like use customer has to pickup or admin will deliver the vehicle at the customer doorstep. This is the vehicle specification, and here the charges of per hour, per day, per week, and per month. So this is all about like the pricing details and the vehicle details. Now, if suppose uh, suppose like for from I need a vehicle from 21 to 23. Okay, so and here suppose I keep uh, suppose I keep 12. Okay, so here total 50 hours will be there, and here I selected store pickup. Now here we have implemented Stripe payment service as for smooth payment services. Now here all the details related to payment, how much customer has to pay to admin for these services, for the timeline they have used, GST and security deposit, how much the customer have to deposit. So this is like now we book the vehicle. Now the Stripe is so here we will enter card details. So here card details has been added. Now here we add, and here we have added our payment. So as you all can see that the payment is successful, and here we can see the booking details. Now here's the pickup order. So what is it? So whenever the user will pick up the vehicle or whichever rental services they have rental, so they have to give this OTP as verification, and once the OTP is verified, so the vehicle will be handed over to them. So this is our where once the verification kind of So this is all information about the rental that the customer have been taken. Now here all the payments related to that customer will be shown to them. Your profile will be there. As here we have added one more thing like identity verification. So as customer have to add their driving license because for safety purpose and as for verifying the um, legal legal human. So as they are from India only and all that. So here driving license here the customer have to get, then only they can rental vehicles. Instead they cannot take this service. And here driving license copy will be added. Once this will be verified, so customer can rent the services. So this is all about like customer part. Let's see admin plan. So now I'm entering admin credentials for admin audit. So this are admin credentials. Okay. So as you can see that admin login has successfully. So this is all about admin's login dashboard. This is all in one dashboard that is all about vehicles, payments, reports, categories, all that. I mean, all about the businesses the admin have and they are serving to the customer. So, suppose how many vehicles are there, how many available vehicles are there, how many are on rented, how many revenue generated, rental orders, two customers have been there, now total payments, security deposit and all that. So refunded 31K, penalties, how much is there? Here we have also implemented a graph for easier viewing of the details, like on which date, how much revenue have been generated, and all that. So this is all about like that means all in one. That shows all the things. If admin wants a quick overview, what all they serve and what all the details, so they can see it into that. Now, this is now this is vehicle part. So here we can add new vehicles. Um, Here we can here admin can see all their vehicles, add new vehicles and search about the vehicles. Like suppose here searching is working. Now if search through model, then also it was okay. Let me have a model. Okay, so okay. So, through model also can be searched. At the time of adding a vehicle, we include the model to registration number, all category. We can filter the choices and list. Now, we are going to add one vehicle. So here we are adding one vehicle like luxury, available, brand, like model for various like things. Then year, then registration number, then wait. Now for year suppose then fuel type, petrol, transmission, automatic, seller, I'm adding something like now. Mileage, it gives like 62, then 2000, then 60, and then 26. Now what is rent per hour? We are keeping like 1000, like 1500, 15,000, right? 45,000 is rent per. So here we have created a vehicle. Now for this vehicle, we can see all the details as we have created it. Now we have to add some images. So we can add images of the vehicles. Like suppose I'm adding one image. Uh, like suppose I'm adding this image. So here the image has been added. Here one uploading the image. Uh, okay, so it got succeed that the image has been added. So we can add multiple images through it as again browsing and like. So this is all about like adding vehicles and vehicles package. Now in categories, we can see what categories or admin can see what categories they are selling to the customer, like four-wheeler, two-wheeler, then convertible, electric, hybrid, luxury, sedan, SUV, and all that. Suppose if admin wants to add new category, then they can also add new category like from four-wheeler or for two-wheeler, like so, and once created category. So as you all see, the categories are added. Now we can see all rental over. So in at the user time, we have stated that user has been confirmed rental, then paid a security deposit and all amount. Now here also the searching works, as you all can see, through customer name. If you want to search as how much repeated customers we have, so we all can see that. Here through status, we can filter, pick up grade and return until solved. Now let's see for user as they have confirmed one rental from our. Now this is all about all the details about like user as for uh, what service they have asked for. Now once user picks up the vehicle, so we can enter the OTP as uh, uh, and we are verifying it. So once we verify, we will hand it over the vehicle to the user, and uh, the status will be active as we can see here. As the status has been active, the vehicle been picked up by the user. So okay. So now here, once user has been used the vehicle or user service, um, they will come to they will come for return. So here return exception will be done. Now actual return date was like uh, 21. Okay. Sorry, 20. So here actual return date was 23 as mentioned here, but Caesar came to us at 25 and the time was 10:41. Okay. Uh, Okay. So as you can see that here late return has been detected and the expected penalty or estimated penalty has been calculated as the vehicle is late by 46 hours. Expected date was 23 and user came at 25. So here expected penalty has been calculated. The condition is been checked by the admin. Penalty fee in INR and here penalty reason like for uh, late return. Like finalizing the return and generating the service. So here you can see that the security deposit as the late fee amount has been deducted from the usual security deposit and the final refund amount is 800. Now here for refunding process online, we can enter the UTR of or UPI of like user and we can process fund. So here security deposit fund has successfully done with the user. Here we can see as a vehicle will be returned and the whole process is completed from uh, okay. Now here we can see all the customers the admin have here all the payment transactions and searching facility on all that. Then security deposit, the admin and all that, how much refunded, how much pending, so they can work on that. Here through reports, we can see all these reports like revenue report, then rental report. their rental report has been generated or can be seen by the admin. Your vehicle report can be seen by the admin. So this is all reports we have shown. Here's the profile settings. As admin wants to change their profile, so they can modify it to them. And we have here organization settings page is there. So we have created one organization settings. From this page, all the details can be modified by the admin. And this all details will be modified where they are required. Like in invoice, the company details has been there. The contact details of admin are there, address and all that. So where these details are there, so admin can modify here, and they all will like modified there also. So we don't have to come to code again for that, or the admin don't have to change anywhere or everywhere again and again. So this is all about our project. Thank you.